Hey guys, it's Angel. Welcome back to my Tesla Model 3. Baby Dragon and I today are going on a road trip. We are going to go to the Monroe Supercharger out in Monroe, Washington. And this is Baby Dragon's first time supercharging. So super exciting, and Baby Dragon is really excited as well. So if you're interested in how to supercharge a Tesla Model 3 or how that works, keep watching. All right, so we've arrived at the Monroe Supercharger, and I'm just gonna show you on the dash how I got here. So the first thing you'll wanna do when you get in your car is go to the navigation screen. And once you're in the navigation screen, you can click this icon, the little electricity icon. You'll see that all the superchargers come up. So I'm closest to the Monroe Supercharger, which is right here. And you'll notice that there are these little, almost like battery marks. And so right now it's totally grayed out, which means nobody's plugged in. But at superchargers where there are Teslas already charging, you'll see that there's a little red tick mark. And each red tick mark means there's one car in that stall. And if you want to see more information about that particular supercharger, you just click on the letter, so A for Monroe. And here you'll see there's, right now, oh, someone just plugged in. There is 11 of 12 stalls available. And oh, I do see a Tesla that just drove up and plugged in over there. And you'll also see other things like there's a restroom, there is coffee, Wi-Fi, shopping, food. So it's super handy for trip planning and bathroom breaks. Now let's check on Dragon's battery capacity. So I'm just gonna click on the little electricity mark under Baby Dragon, and you will see that right now I have 121 miles left on the car. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my limit up higher between daily and trip and click done. And on the bottom here, you can see under supercharging, no recent supercharging. This is Dragon's first time supercharging, and he is a supercharger version. So basically, we will open up the charge port like so. And now we're ready to charge. All right guys, so I'm back inside the car and we're looking at the dash right now, and I am supercharging. So the time remaining is about 25 minutes. I am currently charging at 337 miles per hour. Wow, that is super fast. So it's actually very, very convenient. That's enough time to just stretch your legs, have some coffee, use the restroom, bio break, and come back and just maybe check some email, and then you're off and ready to go. All right guys, so I'm done supercharging. I'm actually not gonna supercharge all the way. I have plenty of miles to get me home and where I need to go. And where I'm gonna head off for lunch, there is a Tesla destination charger, so I'm gonna just charge there for free, so I don't need to pay for supercharging here. And I have plenty of miles to get me to my next destination. So that was really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And if you enjoyed this video with me and Baby Dragon and you guys want to see us go on a road trip, like a real road trip, post in the comments and let me know where you guys want us to go next. Until then, take care guys. I love you and I will see you in the next one. Bye.